Hey guys, one major advantage for our load dividing system is that the elevator is the only floor that's operating the whole time. The rest only move on demand, meaning that the machine only operates a fraction of the time. As the elevator's volume and weight reduces, the cross floor will automatically bring feed up on demand, making it fully or semi-automatic, thanks to Hustler's innovative feed control system. The weight sensitivity of the elevator is also adjustable if you want to feed faster or in a more narrow windrow. Once the feed in the cross floor diminishes, only then do you need to bring up the heavy duty push blade, meaning the push blade only needs to move up and down once per load. The hydraulically tilting elevator gives you huge flexibility in feeding versatility, and if you keep this tilted up higher than usual, you can tease that feed apart more. Ultimately, the Hustler load dividing system reduces wear and stress on your machine, extending its work life and reducing maintenance, meaning more time feeding and less time in the workshop. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next one.